Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on your Hyundai Elantra with a key. First, take your physical key and insert it completely into the ignition cylinder, which is typically located on the right side of the steering column. Before proceeding, always make sure your Elantra is securely in park or neutral. This is a crucial safety step to prevent unintended movement. Also, double-check that the parking brake is engaged for added security. Once the key is fully inserted, gently turn it clockwise to the ACC position. This will power up some of your vehicle's accessories, such as the radio or power windows, without starting the engine. Next, continue rotating the key clockwise to the on position. At this point, you should see all the warning lights on your dashboard illuminate briefly, indicating that the vehicle's electrical systems are now. When using PayPal on Gumroad, it's important to understand the fee structure. Gumroad takes a 10% transaction fee per sale. Additionally, PayPal charges its own processing fee, which is usually around 3.49%. For sales made through Gumroad's Discover Marketplace, a flat 30% fee applies. The good news is that once your PayPal is connected, payments from sales are often deposited instantly into your PayPal account. If your Elantra doesn't start, first try wiggling the steering wheel while turning the key to unlock it. A dead battery is another common culprit if the engine doesn't crank at all. Never force the key if it feels stuck. Gently try moving the steering wheel or shifting gears. Finally, always remember to remove your key from the ignition when exiting the vehicle to prevent theft and maintain security.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.